Alright, I've had a lot of questions about this long division and using multiples, so I've put together this little video. I hope it helps. Our number is 17,940 divided by 39. The 17,940 is my dividend, and the 39 is my divisor. When I rewrite the problem as a long division problem, my dividend goes on the inside and my divisor goes on the outside. Now, in this process, what we want to do is take our divisor and find all of the multiples for the divisor 1 through 9. And so that is the biggest step they have to do and the most important step. Here I've listed all the multiples of 39, which is our divisor. If you're unsure how to do this, some people are, we'll take 39 times 5, and 5 times 9 is 45. Here's the 4 for the 40 part, and here's the 5, so you can see the 45. And what we do next then is we do 3 times 5, and we add the 4 to get 195. When I look at my division problem, I have 2 digits here on the outside, or in my divisor, and I look at the first 2 digits in my dividend. Now, being as 17 is smaller than the 39, I can't do anything with it, so I put a 0 above the 17. I want to line up these numbers, though, in their place value, so that's a 0. The next thing I look at then as a number is the 179. Now I can see that 179 is bigger than the 39, so now I need to go to work. I found that 179 is somewhere between the 4th and 5th multiple of 39. So I don't want to go larger than the 179. I need to go one step smaller, so I pick 4 to put as part of my quotient. Because that number right there, that 156, is just below 179. So I put the 4 above the 9 in 179 because I need to keep things lined up. And since I've already done the work with my multiples, I do know that 4 times the 39 gets me 156. Now it's simple subtraction. So the 9 minus 6 gives me 3. The 7 minus 5 gives me 2. A quick check, is 23 less than my divisor? Yes. Then I drop down the 4. And this arrow then now points to the new number I'm working with, and it's circled here in blue. It's 234. So now I need to go back to my multiples to see if I have anything that is close to 234. There we have it right there. The 6th multiple of 39 is 234. So I can use that to put up as part of my quotient, or my answer. So I put the 6 above the 4 that we just dropped down, keeping everything lined up. I already know that 6 times 39 gives me 234. I subtract it, I get 0. But I'm not done. I still have this place value here that I'm working with. So I drop that 0 down here. That gives me 0, 0. I know that any number times 0 gives me 0, so 0 times 39 gives me 0. So my final answer is 460. Hope that helps.